Okay, and now when I am finding this leak area, now I am checking these fuel injectors gasket, and they are these red O-rings what I am touching, and now I am looking that is there any small cuttings, holes or parts missing, and now I found there is small damage and dent. There is hole. Now we can see right away there is hole in this gasket, and this area is this leak area. And because this gasoline is so pressurized that it goes all small holes. If there is any hole, then like in this area is this fuel rail, and there is like 1 bars gasoline pressure, and if there is any leak, then gasoline leaks to our engine. And now I have leak in that gasoline fuel injectors O-ring, but I am now removing, and soon we can see that how I replace this O-ring. And now injector is free, and we need to purchase this new red O-ring. And remember, we need just specific O-ring what is gasoline resistance, and it must resist and it must work with gasoline, because otherwise these normal O-rings and gaskets they became bad and leakable if they are connection with gasoline, and that's we need just specific fuel injectors, this O-ring gasket, and there it is. And I have purchased this gasket from car dealership center, and this spare part belongs to Toyota Corolla's VVTi engine, and this cost about $4 or 4 euros per piece, and we can get these red O-rings in the nearest Toyota new car center, because there is this spare part desk, and Toyota will deliver these parts within 1 or 2 days. And same idea in all other cars, that if we have leakage, we have to find this original spare part in this our injector, because otherwise we have soon new leak. And now I will show that how to replace this fuel injectors, this O-ring. I need sharp tool, and then when I bend that, I take that away, and now we can see this damage in there I am touching. There is really 1 part cut and missing in there in left side what now I am touching, and this area leaks this gasoline gas, and that's I have now purchased this new O-ring gasket, and this looks good. And now when I install that back, I have to install this carefully that I don't damage, and this way when I carefully compress that, it goes nicely in there.